Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your iPhone and Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, and enable AirPlay on the Apple TV. Once done, unlock your iPhone and swipe to Open Control Center so options appear quickly. This immediate setup prevents connectivity hiccups later and reduces distraction while mirroring. Now look for the screen mirroring icon. Tapping it is your first actionable move toward projecting your iPhone screen to the TV. After tapping screen mirroring, select the Apple TV device shown. Your iPhone will attempt to pair. If an AirPlay code appears on the TV, type it into your iPhone to confirm the secure connection. Once connected, make sure orientation and volume on the iPhone match what you want to display, and use the TV's settings to adjust aspect ratio for a clean image. This step ensures good picture framing and avoids cropped content when streaming apps, photos, or presentations. To end mirroring, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. That cleanly restores your iPhone to solo use. If mirroring fails, first restart Wi-Fi on both devices, then reboot the iPhone or Apple TV. Often a simple restart clears network or handshake glitches. Make sure iOS and tvOS are up to date and that AirPlay restrictions aren't enabled in settings. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs and reattempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.